Our Capitol Bureau is digging into Governor Glenn Youngkin's plans to strip state funding from law enforcement agencies that don't comply with U.S. immigration and customs enforcement.
Capitol Bureau reporter Tyler Englander is getting to the bottom of just how many law enforcement agencies that might affect.
My investigation shows ICE's data on which agencies are non-cooperative may not actually be accurate. Plus, we're really not sure how exactly Governor Glenn Youngkin plans to enforce this proposed sanctuary city ban against any law enforcement agencies that don't cooperate with ICE detainer requests. Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin says he wants to take away state funding from any law enforcement agency that doesn't comply with detainers from U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. So what exactly is a detainer? According to the agency, it's a request made to a law enforcement agency, jail, or prison to notify ICE before they release a removable non-citizen and to hold them for an additional 48 hours to allow ICE to take them into custody. ICE documents dated June 2024 shows it considers 14 Virginia jails and prisons non-cooperative when it comes to honoring these detainers. Some of those appear to be accurate. For example, ICE lists Fairfax County Jail as non-cooperative, and a statement on the county's website from July confirms it, saying, quote, "The Fairfax County Sheriff's Office will not detain an individual based on an informal request or detainer." However, it also appears that the list has some serious flaws. Take the Dinwiddie County Jail, for instance, which ICE says is non-cooperative. However, the Dinwiddie County Sheriff's Office told me today they haven't even had a jail since 2012. Meanwhile, a separate fact sheet circulated by the governor's office points to sanctuary city resolutions in places like Alexandria that could put them at risk of losing funding. However, Alexandria's policy doesn't mention refusing to comply with ICE detainers, and the Alexandria Sheriff's Office tells me their office, quote, "does honor lawful detainers and warrants from ICE as we would for any other law enforcement agency."
Now, we reached out to Governor Glenn Youngkin's office to ask how he plans to verify which agencies don't comply with ICE. While we did get a response, it did not answer that specific question.